Who can resist this Christmas or holiday ham? Just one ingredient, believe it or not. Coca Cola. Of course, Pepsi will also do. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Hello, Merry Christmas. This may be a late upload because I'm shooting this on the eve of Christmas 2020. But we can still do this for New Year. I have here ham, sweet ham. It's been cut, but I'll be showing you a revolutionary and a delicious way of cooking your Christmas or New Year's ham or holiday ham. Just one ingredient. In addition to your supermarket bought ham, we need only one ingredient. Coca Cola. Yes, Coca Cola is sweet, it's got sugar and it's got spices. Perfect for cooking and glazing ham. We need 1 liter for every kilo. Just boil slowly until we get a thick syrup. That's it. How simple can that be? By the way, I made this from scratch. If you're interested how to make it, I put the link here and in the description box below. It's been glazed, but of course I prefer to use Coca-Cola. This is not my original. I discovered this dish or this recipe at BBC Foods. If this was raw, boil it for more than 2 hours. But since this is cooked, just 1 hour until the syrup or the Coca-Cola becomes syrup, I should say. It's not yet boiling, but I see gas coming up. That's true for all carbonated drinks, Romilo. Occasionally turn it over, approximately every 10 to 15 minutes. Use low flame, sugar easily burns. Coke has sugar. Lots of it. While this boils, I'd like to invite you to my travel channel, Places, Events and Cultures, My Barrio, My Mundo. Here are sample footages of the places I've been, the Cologne Cathedral, the Belvedere in Vienna, and another UNESCO heritage site, the Wachau Valley in Austria. Back to our Coca-Cola ham. The liquid has reduced to more than 40%. 30 more minutes and we'll have the syrup. Again, turn it over occasionally. Look at this now. We now have syrup. Beautiful color. Look, once the consistency is this thick, we can stop and serve our ham. Yeah. If you want to glaze it, you can also put this in the oven, but I'd like to enjoy it this way. Stop. If you can only smell the aroma, you will never think it's Coca-Cola. Really. It smells like cinnamon. Who can resist this glorious color? Coca Cola ham, an alternative way of preparing Christmas or holiday ham. Try it. Just one ingredient, Coca Cola. Of course, Pepsi will also do. I'm sure you're also curious how would this taste. Just a small bite. Heaven! Cameraman, taste it.
Ayaw. Bigo ako.
It's really delicious. Try it. I love it. If you enjoyed what you've just watched, don't forget to subscribe and share. Go on now.
Thank you for joining me here today. If you're watching this during Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'd like to leave you now with the footages from our garden. We do cook at the garden during summertime. I hope you can come back and join me at the garden. Dios Segbati, your Korean uncle here, Ramino.
Wala, sika, dagada, tulungan. Handa ka mo katulungan to nung tuwa. Handa ka mo katulungan. Bye-bye, handa ka mo ilain mo makutkan. Si kayo siguro ang siyak sa akin. Kaya panunod ko. Dagay yung ubing ko, handa nga bye-bye, anure niya mapaspasama. Kunan na. Awan sa amot, kontak mo kadagay yung ubing. Nakita maamin ang muda. Oh, kita ang tikwada niya. Ang muda angin. Mapalit ayan, hindi mo.
Masapol dato yan.